Hello dear Gemini, how are you guys doing? So this is a general reading for January 2021. So this is a love reading, relationship reading. So take it as it resonates with you. I will check your partner's energy and then your energy and the outcome and guidance. Okay. So overall energy for the month of January 2021 for you guys is the Knight of Swords. So basically this card is telling me that you guys are in a hurry, or you guys want to start this relationship in a hurry. You are not able to understand each other on a practical level, on an emotional level, on a mental level. You guys are just in a hurry to make things work. Okay, so you have to take care of this energy, Gemini. Okay, so what your person's energy is right now? The Sun. See, your partner is feeling very good. They are very happy. They are in a joyous mood, and they are acting like a kid, and they are in a very happy-go-lucky kind of mood in the month of January. How they are seeing you is the energy of Eight of Swords. So they are feeling that you are trapped somewhere in yourself. You are not able to cope up with your personal problems, and you are not taking good care of this relationship, or you are not giving specific attention to this person or to this particular relationship. So they are feeling like that you are trapped somewhere in your own world. Or might be for some of you guys, your partner's energy is like this, and you are in jail or some kind of mental jail, or you have created a mental boundaries to in your love life. Okay, so what they feel about you? So they want a stable relationship with you. They want a family with you. They want financial stability, materialistic stability, emotional stability with you. They are feeling like, yes, this is the right person for me. No matter how you are feeling right now, they are feeling like you are the one who can be there happily ever after, who can be their family member in a long term. Okay, what they want from this relationship is Ace of Wands. They want to start this relationship again, Gemini. They want to give it a chance again. They are very passionate and energetic about this person, this particular relationship, that they want it they want to give it another chance. They want a new beginning with you, Gemini. And from their side, the outcome is the Queen of Wands. So they are very passionate. They are very energetic, and they have made their mind that yes, no matter how my partner is going to feel about this, I will try my best to start this relationship on a very fresh start, to give it a fresh start, to give it a new beginning. So your partner's mind is made up. So he is genuinely happy. He or she is genuinely happy and ready to work on this relationship. Okay. So your energy is the Ace of Swords. You are gaining the mental clarity. You are cutting out all the negativity, toxicity from this particular relationship, or it can be a new beginning from a past relationship. So it is basically a new beginning. Your partner wants Ace of Wands. Your partner wants a new beginning. You are also ready for the new beginning, but you are gaining the mental clarity, the practicality, and the emotional bondage. You are leaving behind the emotional bondage, and you are ready to start a new relationship or a new beginning with a past person, with your person, right? How you are seeing your person as? You are seeing your person as Page of Cups. So you are feeling that your person is kind of immature. They are like kid. They don't know emotional games. They don't know how to handle emotions, or they are not providing you the emotional stability that you want from them, Gemini, right now. That is why maybe you are feeling like confused and bounded in your mind, and you are not feeling happy the way you should feel. But trust me, he's a genuine person. He's a good person. Maybe he is not able to understand how to emote to you. Okay, and what you feel about this relationship, again, this is the Page of Wands energy. You feel like, yes, this is there is physical attraction, there is passion, there is energy, but there is no emotional stability in this relationship, Gemini. That is what you are thinking about this relationship right now. And what you want from this relationship is Knight of Wands. You also want to communicate with this person. You also want a new start with this person. You just want to communicate openly with them, to tell them that you are feeling like this, and you are going to be like this, and these will be your actions and all that. You want an open and honest communication with your person, so that this relationship will work out. Okay, so the outcome from your side is going to be 10 of Wands. So Gemini, you are feeling burdened, you are feeling like all the burden is on your shoulders of this particular relationship, and your person is not taking the necessary action or steps towards this relationship to work out. So you are feeling little burdened about this relationship right now, and the guidance from the universe is six of wands. Again, there's passionate energy, there's lots of passion, there's lots of physical attraction in this relationship. So you are going to find a resolution for this relationship, Gemini. Don't worry. Open communication, clear communication will bring the resolution that you always wanted in this relationship. Then there's the Ace of Cups energy. Ace of Cups is also there. See, there are three aces: Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, and Ace of Cups. Definitely a new beginning is in this relationship is going to happen, and this relationship is going to be good and a long term and a committed relationship in the future. It can be a committed and happy relationship in the future, but for right now you have to be open and honest and have to communicate clearly, and you have to stay away from the physical attraction. So if you are feeling like physically attracted to a person, maybe it could be possible that you are only physically attracted to them, and this is not kind of love. But what I can see is, if you give it a chance, if you communicate openly and honestly with your person, or they they should also communicate with you openly. Basically the thing is, you both should openly and wholeheartedly talk to each other, communicate with each other what you both want from this particular relationship. Okay, so this is Ace of Cups energy is also there. So if you will open your heart, and your person will also open your heart, then there is a chance of love coming in here in this relationship, that the way you want it to be. Okay, so you have to let go of the expectation of the Hierophant. You have to let go of the expectation of commitment or marriage or engagement or some kind of this kind of bondage right now. You have to let go of this expectation, Gemini. I think what you should do right now is to openly communicate and clearly say what is on your mind, and tell them and ask them what they want from this relationship. Open and honest communication is very, very much required in this relationship right now. And the guidance from the universe is the Page of Pentacles. So take baby steps. So follow your heart, follow your instinct, follow your intuition. Everything is fine, but you have to take baby steps. You have to take take it slow. Take it slow. Otherwise, if you are going to rush into anything, you are going to regret maybe, or you are going to feel like you are left out, or you are feeling cold or cold-hearted or something like that. So you have to take baby steps. You don't have to rush into anything. Communicate openly, and yeah, this is what is the need of the hour for you guys in January 2021 for both of you. So take it easy, take it step by step, a single step per day, and communicate openly, Gemini. This is for you guys. Okay, so I hope you like this. This is all what I have for you guys. I hope it helps. So thank you so much for listening to me. Do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends as well. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. Happy New Year.